Hmm?
We've only got one in ours. It's a kitchen.
Yeah, well, I don't know. Have a look at the. Oh, I'm not sure.
Just send it off to be
Oh,
developed.
no.
You can't stand that close.
I'll stand at the back, Rich.
When it comes to the actual wedding, I'm going to have to ask you to stand really. Good afternoon, everyone. Would you all be seated, please? Well, let me first of all say welcome to HMS Warrior on this very special day for Karen and Gary. Our ceremony here is a very simple one. First of all, I'm going to ask both of them to make a declaration to all of you, their witnesses, to say that they are free to marry each other. And after that, they're going to exchange their vows together. But before we come to that part of the ceremony, I have to tell you now in a very formal way that the place in which we're all met now has been duly sanctioned or licensed according to law for the celebration of marriage. And you are all here to witness the joining in matrimony of Gary Mark Otten and Karen Janet Elmer. And if any person present knows of any lawful impediment to this marriage, then they should declare it now. Just briefly. Well, can't hear anyone say anything, so if I could ask the two of you to stand. Karen and Gary, before you are joined in matrimony, I have to remind you of the solemn and binding character of the vows that you're about to make. Marriage, according to the law of this country, is the union of one man with one woman, voluntarily entered into for life to the exclusion of all others. And now I'm going to ask each of you to make a declaration to say that you do not know of any lawful reason why you should not be married to each other. Gary, are you ready to make the declaration that you are free to marry Karen?
I am.
Will you repeat after me nice and loudly so that everybody can hear you make your declaration? I do solemnly declare.
I do solemnly declare.
That I know not.
That I know not.
Of any lawful impediment.
Of any lawful impediment.
Why I, Gary Mark Otten.
Why I, Gary Mark Otten.
May not be joined.
May not be joined.
In matrimony.
In matrimony.
To Karen Janet Elmer.
To Karen Janet Elmer.
And to you, Karen, are you ready to make the declaration to say that you are free to marry Gary?
I am.
Will you repeat after me nice and loudly so that everyone can hear you? I do solemnly declare.
I do solemnly declare
That I know not.
that I know not
of any lawful impediment why I, Karen Janet Elmer, may not be joined in matrimony to Gary Mark Otten. And now we come to the very solemn moment where Karen and Gary are going to exchange their vows together. Could I ask you all to stand and share this very special moment with them? You're going to make your special vows to each other. So first of all, I'm going to ask you to turn and face each other. And then Graham, could I ask you to give Gary the ring for Karen? Okay. And while you're facing each other, would you put it on her finger and stay holding hands together? Still holding hands across the face. And now, will you give your special vow to Karen by saying to her, I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a token of our marriage
as a token of our marriage,
and a symbol of all that we share.
as a symbol of all that we share.
And I call upon
And I call upon
these persons here present
these persons here present
to witness that I, Gary Mark Otten,
to witness that I, Gary Mark Otten,
do take thee, Karen Janet Elmer,
do take thee, Karen Janet Elmer,
to be my lawful wedded wife.
to be my lawful wedded wife.
I promise to care for you always,
I promise to care for you always,
and to keep our love and friendship
and to keep our love and friendship
as it is today.
as it is today.
I trust that our marriage will remain strong
I trust that our marriage will remain strong
and look forward to our future together
and look forward to our future together
with hope, happiness and joy.
with hope, happiness and joy.
And now to Rob, may we have Gary's ring? If you could give it to Karen, please. Karen, will you put Gary's ring on his finger, stay holding hands together? And while you're holding hands, will you make your special vow to him by saying to him, I give you this ring as a token of our marriage and a symbol of all that we share. And I call upon these persons here present to witness that I, Karen Janet Elmer, do take thee, Gary Mark Otten, to be my lawful wedded husband. I promise to care for you always, and to keep our love and friendship as it is today. I trust that our marriage will remain strong and look to our future together with hope, happiness and joy. And so Karen and Gary, you've both made your declarations to say that you're free to marry each other, and you've made a solemn binding contract together in the presence of all your family and friends here, and I'm very happy to tell you, you are now husband and wife. Many congratulations. I think they deserve a clap. Thank you. Now, if you'll all be seated, we're going to go ahead with signing the register.
Could I have the witnesses, please, the two fathers?
Georgia.
It's still there, it's hanging on.
So he's got two.
Get Jane.
Get Jane.
Jane, see if she can get her in.
Hi, Georgia.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Too
would you
late.
all be upstanding to toast the new Mr. and Mrs. Oxford? Going to walk through there. Sorry, through there. There we are. Cheers.
Be happy.
Well, let's go down and get it. Right, please. Let's George and Harrison, please. Georgia Harrison! Watch your back, sir. Sorry, sir. We got Georgia. Can we clear this area back, please?
Sorry.
Mums and dads, please. One more picture. Watch your feet, girls and boys. What's your magic thing? Here comes. That's it. One more. Go for it, quick. Go for it. We got one hammock away, one hammock.
That's if an emergency at the factory. If I can't, I don't know how far away, I was indoors. If there's anything out, I can't push that.
Who's on the game? Oh, somebody's on the game. Yes. That's living with someone for 30 years.
Did you ring me?
It's all right. Let's leave it.
All right, boys and girls. Watch the fingers and smiling. Thank you very much.
That's very demure, actually. Mày chưa tới này đâu.
Do now, might as well drink it now, be cool.
We've got your. All right, boys and girls, watch the fingers. Up here. Thank you. All the friends now, please.
You say no one could be good in our days. No, too bloody good.
Oh, it's a bit colder there, isn't it?
No, I'm not.
I think we'll get the hang of it now.
Chris and Claire next, please.
I'm not going anywhere. Where are you going? I am that.
And twice the little
It's quite quiet. Beg your pardon? Hi there.
How you doing? Odd one, no? And Harrison.
It's a lovely sax though.
Go behind to this side, Dad. Yeah? Looks better. Right, Harrison. This is the last picture. Right, you say sausage again, haven't you?